Welcome back. This is Patricia Regier. After your guest has clicked the link you sent them, these are the steps they need to take. This is on the live streaming app, Restream. Access your camera. Get started by allowing us to use your camera and mic. I'm here, so I'm not muting. I don't want to disable. I can click settings right then and there. And then this is where I can double check. Camera is what camera I want. Audio is the mic I want. I could do even virtual background and that sort of thing. Show advanced options. So this is all the stuff I can do before I click join stream. This is where I need to make sure that this is good. Now I'm going to click join stream. And now it's saying I'm backstage. Only a host can see me. Host may add you to the broadcast at any time. Be ready. So I am good. Let's open up the private chat. Here we go. I am here. Get on stage. It's good for your guests to have an alternate way of communicating with you. If they are having problems, they can try a different browser and definitely have a test run before you go live. Enjoy.